Hello, myself Neelab Krishna. This Microsoft Power BI project is a part of virtual internship program organized by AINE.AI. The aim of this project is to perform market analysis of the company Vanarsdel and its competitors to take data informed decisions to help in business purpose. Here is the manufacturing analysis of the company Vanarsdel. If we take revenue by country, the company earned the highest revenue on, on the country USA. It's just around. So this is the revenue and percentage growth by year of the company from 2013 to 2020. First, it decreases steeply. After that, it increases. Then it decreases up to the year 2018. Then again shows a gradual increase up to 2020. And if we took the chart here, it's basically chart showing the segment-wise revenue of the company Vanarsdel. It shows the percentage growth of 337.49% for the selective products. If we take Australia as a country, showing around $212.21 million as a revenue in this chart. And here is the revenue and percent growth trend by year of the company Vanarsdel. Is somewhat different from the country USA. From 2014 it increases. After that it gradually decreases here, and it keeps on decreasing till 2020. If we took company, if we took the if we take the country Japan, it shows the $109.97 million dollar as the revenue of the company from this country after selling these products. Highest shows around 826.13%. This is the percentage growth after selling these selective products. And shows the trend here from 2014. It keeps on slightly decreases, then after that increases, and then it goes on decreases till 2018, around mid of 2018. Then it very gradually increasing from 2019, and it is still increasing from 2020 onwards. We take Germany as a country of investment for this company. Graph here, the percentage growth line is somewhat very different from the countries USA, Australia, and Japan. From 2014 to 2015, it decreases very gradually. After that, it increases, and again it decreases, keeps on decreasing. From 2000 approximately mid of 2018, it keeps on increasing till 2020. Similarly, the other countries has a different growth perspective. For the country Nigeria, it increases from 2015 to 2016. After that, it decreases very sharply here up to mid of 2017. Then again it decreases to mid of 2018. Then slightly increases to 2018, and again it decreases in 2020. So here is the manufacturer and the market analysis of the company Vanarsdel. Thank you for giving me your valuable time.